My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Mercedes A-Class AMG line. This car has done just over 49,000 miles and it has an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel, we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. This car also comes with a virtual cockpit, so by pressing this home button, we can get quick access to trip, navigation, media, as well as other settings. In this Mercedes, we have a touchpad, so with that, we can access features such as the radio, navigation, media, comfort, so we can change the colour and brightness, info, apps, store and settings. We also have heated seats. And as we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.